This over, getting some power play time. His pass, he takes the return feed, takes the shot. Save rebound, they score! Jeff Carter picking up the garbage in front and ramming it home. A power play goal, and it's now 5-4. Carter scores for a case of Tasty Cakes.
Now we've got a game, and boy, is this going to get interesting. The one thing the Flyers wanted to improve on is shots from the point on their power play. Joe Sacco's team gave them a too many men on the ice advantage, and Oscar Bartulas launched a shot. There was a good screen in front, and this was a scavenger's delight for Jeff Carter. Right to him.
And give a lot of credit. You see, Carter